K-Pack Family Dollar. It's all custom built sheet metal out of our shop. Custom wise, has fittings. And this is one 10-ton unit right here, all custom ductwork. And then here is the back unit, which is another 10-ton unit. Let's see. Everything you see here is made in our shop. There's a restroom, office area back here, and fusers. And we have a diffuser set in there. Greenhack exhaust fans. And this is an office here. It's a 2x2 lay-in. There's our remote thermostats on the wall. And the last bathroom here with a 2x2 lay-in and a Greenhack exhaust fan.